Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mike, and today we're diving into the exciting world of AI with a step-by-step guide on how to create your Lovo AI account and start earning some cash. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. If you've ever wanted to turn your passion for AI into a money-making venture, you're in for a treat. Lovo AI is the platform you need. It's not just about tech, it's about tapping into the potential of artificial intelligence for real-world gains. So, let's start with Step 1. Creating your Lovo AI account. The first step is super simple. Head over to jenny.lovo.ai and sign up for your account. Fill in the necessary details, and voila, you're in. Step 2. Navigating the platform. Once you're logged in, take a tour of the platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, explore the different sections, and get a feel for what Lovo AI has to offer. Step 3. Setting up your profile. Personalize your profile. Add a killer bio, showcase your AI skills, and let potential clients know why you're the go-to person for their AI needs. Step 4. Finding and taking gigs. Now, the fun part. Browse through available gigs. Find something that aligns with your skills and interests, and hit that Take Gig button. And there you have it. Folks, a quick guide on creating your Lovo AI account and kickstarting your journey to earn with AI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.